Again with Illegal Racing. I hope you like that little intro I put together of all the cars that they got over at Zen Racing. So turn this air down a little bit. I mean, unfortunately they're a little busy. They got a bunch of track stuff going on, so I couldn't really get to talking with my buddy that runs the shop now. His name is Frank. But a quick rundown of what's going on with Zen Racing is that it's under new supervision. So I know previously they were doing a bunch of Mopar stuff and they were kind of like doing their own thing, but now since my buddy's helping them run the place, they're doing everything. Like you saw the stuff that's in there in the shop, they're doing LS stuff, Mopar stuff, import stuff, pretty much anything they can get their hands on that they feel they can take on, they're gonna do it. So taking on a new lead, it's gonna take a while. The place they have tons of room to do everything, and on top of that, you know, if you do have a Mustang and you want to get some built motor stuff going on there, you may be able to get it installed over at Zen Racing, because I can't really speak on relations that are going on, but I know I have a personal relation with RPG race engines. So if I can plug him in and he can plug you guys in, you know, it's all for the better. That's it. I know this isn't really how I wanted to make the video. I wanted to really like talk to my buddy and, you know, get a rundown of what's going on in the shop, you know, and what they're pretty much what they're doing. I can tell you that Eclipse makes 600 all wheel, and they're doing some crazy stuff with that. You saw the C5 in there, that's all motor with a 427. That C6 is a dedicated track car, spherical bearings everywhere. Solid bushings, no play. They do have a big boy Trackhawk that they did with a 4.5 Whipple. Ugh. They put down some really great numbers. They're busy at the track, but this isn't going to be my first time visiting Zen Racing, so be on the lookout for more stuff to come from them, because they are going to be out here a little bit more, and they're going to expand what they got going on. Aside from the original Mopar stuff, they're going to be doing all kinds of other stuff too, so be on the lookout. More to come. Thanks for watching, and we'll get back to you.